Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you how I define my curls on my natural hair. So my hair right now is looking a mess. So I recently washed my hair maybe about 2 days ago, and I had my hair curled and I had the curls defined, but right now it's just looking a mess. So today I'm going to show you how I define my curls. So to define my curls, I use the Canton, and this is the curl define. This is the curl define gel, and it's for natural hair. So I use this, and that's pretty much it. And of course I moisturize my scalp or grease my scalp with the kaleidoscope and also the wild growth, which I already have done off camera. So if you guys want to see how I define my curls, stay tuned. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so to define my curls, I'm first going to part out a small section of hair, and once I part out that small section of hair, I am going to detangle it. And once I'm done detangling it, I'm going to put a little bit of the Canton Define Gel onto my hair, and I'm going to saturate this hair just enough to where I can again comb it out. And once I comb it out, I'm just going to take my fingers and try to separate the hair to define the hair. And as you can see, as I'm combing through the hair with my nails, the curls are starting to define. And I am just going to continue this step with again just parting out a small section and detangling that small section. And once I'm done detangling it, I am going to put enough of the Canton Define Curl Gel onto my hair. And then once I'm done saturating the hair, I am going to comb it through again, and then I'm just going to separate the curls with my nails, and this helps also to define the curls. And that is pretty much all I do to define my curls. Hey guys, please take the time out to click that subscribe button and notification bell so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. Hey guys, if you like this video so far, make sure that you thumbs it up. Okay guys, so now that I'm done defining my curls, I'm going to use a little bit of the Got2b gel for my edges, and it's basically just going to slick back my edges and put a little baby hairs, you know, just get my little edges popping. So once I do that, I'm pretty much going to tie it up and let it air dry. And once it's pretty much done air drying, I am done defining my curls. Okay guys, so here is the finished look of how I define my curls. So make sure that you guys click that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys would definitely know about it. And also, if you guys like this video, make sure that you thumbs it up. And also guys, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about how I define my curls. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in my next video.